Welcome to VR Emotions.
Hey Willies, what's up? So I'm back with a new video in which I'll tell you about some hidden secrets of MetaQuest 3. So for those who have bought a new MetaQuest 3 or thinking of buying one, this video is going to be very useful for them. So let's start without wasting any time. Number 1. Double tap for pass-through. This is an incredibly useful feature which is the quickest and easiest way to turn on pass-through to get a quick glimpse outside of your headset even in the middle of a game. Just gently double tap on the side of your headset and the pass-through view will appear. This feature should be enabled by default, but if it is not, you can turn on double tap for pass-through. In your headset, go to Setting, Physical Space, Pass-through, turn on the double tap for pass-through switch. Number 2. Hand tracking. Quest 3 is pretty good about understanding that setting your controllers on a flat surface means you want to start using hand tracking, but sometimes it gets a little confused. There's a shortcut to guarantee the headset switches from controller tracking to hand tracking, but you'll need to enable it first. How to enable double tap controllers for hand tracking? In your headset, open your app library and then open In Settings, navigate to Movement Tracking. Turn on double tap controllers for hand tracking switch. How to activate double tap controllers for hand tracking? As the shortcut says, tap your controllers gently together twice and the headset will immediately switch to hand tracking. To switch back to controllers, just pick them up. Okay? Number 3. Extended battery mode. Speaking of battery life on Quest 3, the headset has a built-in mode to squeeze the most power out of the headset. How to turn on extended battery mode on Quest 3? In your headset, go to Settings, System and then Power. Turn on extended battery mode. Turning on extended battery mode will reduce the brightness, resolution and likely frame rate so the headset does less work and consumes battery more slowly. Number 4. Set your own 360-degree background in home. Meta offers a range of virtual environment for the Quest home space and must use a 360-degree photo as their backdrop. But you can also use your own 360-degree photo as a backdrop. How to set 360-degree background in Quest Home? In your headset, go to Settings, then Personalization, and then Virtual Environment. Scroll all the way to bottom of the list of virtual environments. Click the arrow next to it, Custom Skybox View. Okay? Select one of the default skyboxes or select your own. Note that the default Quest 3 home environment doesn't show the background. Okay? Most of the environment will show your skybox, but some give a better view than others. So experiment to find which one you like the most. Number 5. Quest 3 screenshot and video capture shortcut. If you are new to Quest 3, you'll almost certainly want to capture screenshots and video of your VR actions to share with your friends, right? Luckily, this is easy with a shortcut you can do even in the middle of playing a game. If you're already recording a video, you can do the same command as Start Video Capture shortcut to stop the recording. This works whether you started recording with a shortcut by voice or through the regular capture button. Number 6. Turn off garden boundary. Ever find the garden boundary annoying when moving around? Me too. I have mine off most of the time. It's really annoying when you are playing in pass-through but can't open an app because it requires you to be within the boundary range. Here's how to turn off your boundaries on the MetaQuest 3. Enable developer mode. Go to Settings, then System, and then Developer Turn Off Boundary. Do this at your own risk. Multitasking. You can use 3 apps at the same anytime. To do this, simply hold down an app with the trigger and drag it to a free app space like this. Okay? This is so simple. Activate fitness features. If you see yourself using one of the many fitness-based apps, or you just want to see exactly how many calories you burn while playing one of the most fast-paced VR games, then firstly, you will need to activate the tracking features. Go to your app library and search for Move, which should be pre-installed. Open the app and follow the instructions to add your information, and even you can set goals. The Quest will now track how much you move and how many calories you burn over time. This is the most exciting feature for gamers: web VR games. You can also play VR games with the Quest 3 via the built-in browser. To do this, open it and see a list of apps. In the best of the immersive web category, there are some good games and some free ones too. It takes a while for the games to start, and you have to give the browser permission to start immersive apps. Isn't it amazing? If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and please comment which secret you like the most. Okay, bye-bye.